Markets crash, panic spreads, and millions lose everything. But some people somehow get richer. This isn't luck. There are invisible rules that decide who profits when chaos hits, and most people never notice them. First, leverage is a hidden weapon. Using borrowed money at the right time can turn a small investment into massive gains, while misused leverage can destroy everything in an instant. Second, information flows differently. Ordinary investors see news after markets move, while big players often get signals, insider insights, and early warnings before the public even knows something is happening. Third, liquidity is power. When panic grips the market, those with ready cash can scoop up assets at pennies on the dollar, while everyone else is forced to sell at a loss. Fourth, psychological advantage matters. Fear is predictable, greed is contagious, and the wealthiest players know exactly how to exploit herd behavior to their benefit. Fifth, hidden networks link powerful investors to hedge funds, banks, and even governments, giving them safety nets, opportunities, and early exits that ordinary people can't access. The math is brutal. In most crashes, 70 to 90% of people lose, while a small fraction captures the majority of the wealth, often in ways that are invisible to the public eye. Reality is harsh. Media hype, advice columns, or expert predictions rarely protect ordinary investors, and chasing headlines usually means paying the price. These silent rules don't just determine who gets rich, they influence policy, shape industries, and reinforce wealth inequality on a global scale. Every crash is more than a financial event. It's a reshuffling of power, and the stakes are higher than most realize. So next time markets tumble, remember, it's not random, it's a system. The silent rules are already at work, deciding winners and losers long before panic begins. And the real question is whether you will understand the rules or the rules will understand you.